Do you all know what this is?
No.
Yep, it's toothpaste. Today we're going to try to give Chet some new toothpaste because his breath is like really bad. So let's call in Shed. Can you all help me?
Yeah.
No, Carter. Carter!
Carter!
What's going on, guys?
Hey, you want to help us with the science experiment?
Sure.
Okay. First we got to start off with is 118 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. You want to be really careful when you're touching this, so make sure you have good safety gear on,
Weston, I'm your bottom buddy.
long sleeves, and make sure you have some gloves and goggles. This stuff can be very bad if you touch it with your raw skin.
And Carter's going to put on his second glove before he touches it again because he wants to be very safe.
Oh.
Some with soap. You had a few squirts of soap in here,
How much? 1, 2.
and then you want to mix it really well.
I know 2 is a couple. Oh. I wonder why he doesn't use
And then after you mix it, you want to add 1 tablespoon of the potassium iodine.
What's potassium iodine?
It is a special chemical that we made this morning.
Oh.
And then Shed's going to swish it around a little. What do you all think is going to happen?
Explode!
Think it's going to explode?
You guys think it's gonna explode?
How do y'all like Shed's new toothpaste?
Thank you, Fred. Thank you. Is he gonna use it?
No, you cannot use this.
It's a volcano.
Do you guys see anything coming off of the toothpaste?
You guys see the heat coming off it?
Yeah.
You guys don't want to touch that would hurt you and burn you.
Well, how long is he gonna be doing that?
It'll go on for a good minute or two. And then you want to make sure you don't touch this also while cleaning up with your bare hands because this chemical is still active.
And it
So
will
if
hurt
it will hurt when you touch
It
it.
looks like a planet.
All right, thanks, Brett and Carter. And you're going to notice that theirs is probably going to be going for a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and let that just sit there.
Nice to meet you. I like that. Nice to meet you.
Does anyone know what invisible ink is?
Yeah.
Has anyone made any invisible ink before?
No.
Well, today we're going to be showing you guys how to make invisible ink.
This is a really simple thing that you guys can all do at home with your parents.
How do you
And-
make it invisible?
In order to do this experiment, you're going to need grape juice, a spray bottle with the grape juice in it, a tablespoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of water, and a piece of paper and a paintbrush.
First, you're going to mix together 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water, and then mix it together with a paintbrush.
And then you're going to write a message. You can write whatever you want.
I'm just going to put a smiley face on this piece of paper.
And then you're going to want to let it dry. So we have one that's already dried for you guys. And then you guys are going to want to wipe off the baking soda with like a paper towel or your hand. And then you're going to want to spray the paper with the grape juice or paint the grape juice onto the paper.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
This happens because the sodium bicarbonate in the baking soda mixes with the pH in the grape juice.
What does it say?
It says science, and then there's just stars. Ethan, do you have something on your shirt?
Do you guys see anything on my shirt?
Remy.
Oh, what are they doing? Why are they spraying? Oh my goodness, what did he have on his shirt?
We took the baking soda and water and painted it on his shirt and then mixed it with the grape juice and it shows up.
Is there paper under there?
Nope,
No,
it's just a shirt.
How did you guys do that?
We
We already help you. That's cool because it's invisible, and when you swipe with apple juice, it appears.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Cameron and Ethan, for showing us visible ink. And what's the best part about almost all of these experiments is you can do these at home. Our next group is going to be Emma and Matt, and they are tricksters.
Have you guys seen some cool experiments? Yes. I know.
Any of you guys scared of the dark?
No. I love dark.
Is this good? Do you have enough room?
Ooh, money.
Behind you, you're not gonna be able to see on your bottom.
It's Parker's turn.
On
Just
your
want you to
bottom.
grab it from him.
So you gotta be on your bottom, honey. There's people back here that need to see.
Okay, so today we're going to show you how to make flammable money. Do you have any money, Matthew?
Have you guys seen money?
Yeah, Parker stole it.
Oh, there it is. Oh, thank you.
It's $100 bill.
Have you guys ever seen money burn?
Yeah.
You guys like fire, don't you?
I've seen it on YouTube, but not before.
Well, today you're gonna see this
I want that.
start on fire.
I watched. No, I want the fire. And it turns
It's
$100.
Remy.
It just appeared. Jaeger,
Make sure that you guys don't play with fire at home. It can be very dangerous.
It's just fire.
Reese, back up, honey.
So in this we got half alcohol and half water.
Before Matt starts, I'm going to have you guys just come one seat back, just a little bit, because Matt's going to have this, and I don't want it to drip on you guys. There we go. Perfect.
You guys ready?
Matt is going to light his money on fire. Oh, no.
It's $10 bill. Wow. That's a.
Did it catch on fire?
Yeah.
How did he do that?
It's a $10 bill.
Okay, so the
It
alcohol
just appeared.
is absorbing the fire, and the money with the water makes it not burn.
I didn't say ooh.
Any questions for Matt and Emma? We'll take a couple questions.
Yep.
They think money can disappear when you turn on fire, and or they can turn black.
Yeah. What about you?
How do that?
We mix alcohol and water together.
So the water absorbs onto the dollar,
Yeah.
and then the alcohol burns.
And it has a hole in it.
All right. Thank you so much, Emma and Matt.
It's all we get a hole in it.
Remy.
What's your favorite one so far?
Oh, the trickster one.
The trickster one?
The make turns all the way up. The
Toothpaste?
The money.
Alright.
Light on post. The money. The money. The money.
Ready to see ours? Alright.
Oh, I can't hear you guys.
How many of you have tried baking soda and vinegar? What have you guys seen?
Any reaction that you guys seen with it?
Yeah, I
Maybe showing you what the reaction between
Oh, Johnny, can you say that again? I couldn't hear you.
So right here, we got vinegar in this bag, and we got baking soda in this napkin.
And we're gonna put them in here. Which one? Okay, so we're gonna have a little race. Which one do you guys think is gonna pop first? Mine or hers? Mine? Hers? All right.
Tyler, on your bottom. Lincoln, bottom.
It's really hard to see if all of our friends are not on our bottoms. Can you guys all sit on your bottoms?
I knew it. 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 Yay.
Sometimes we just have to shake it just a little bit more.
And you guys know why that happened? Why hers popped before mine? She didn't have them while they're the same. The same amount. No, she did shake it. All of her baking soda reacted with the vinegar before mine did. So if I were to do it now, more.
It's a strong bag.
So as we mixed the baking soda and vinegar, it made a gas called carbon dioxide. That's what we breathe out. And without there being any holes for the carbon dioxide to escape, it's gonna make it blow up and then pop after a while. You guys have any questions? Yep. Both of them did pop.
And Anna. Sophie and Anna. And they like rockets. So let's see what they have for you.
Alright, good morning first graders. My name is Carter Ludwig.
My name is Alice.
Have you guys ever seen a video of a rocket take off before?
Yeah.
The rockets can come from the ground because really powerful reaction between solution.
Alright, so today we're going to be making a small replica of a rocket taking off. So we're going to pour a little alcohol in here, put the lid on, Alicia is going to shake it up.
I'm going to shake it, making sure that the alcohol is in every single part of the wall of the jug.
I want to make sure we get it all covered. And then we're going to dump it into this beaker. We want to make sure we get all the alcohol out because it's very explosive. And if you guys want to back up just a little bit,
Quiet voices. Okay, now I'm gonna light the match. So it's gonna be loud. So if you wanna cover your ears, now is the time.
Carter, do you want me to turn it on?
Yeah, turn the lights off, please. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It doesn't always work out as planned sometimes, but. Yeah, sometimes it takes a lot of time. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to happen.
Oh, I can't hear Tate and Morgan.
First grade voices. Thank you.
Yeah, you never know what's going to happen. Should we try 2 full ones?
Why do you think it happened?
You want to guess?
Because it shakes it up and like leaves can grow up like higher.
Yeah. Why do you think it happened?
That was the most coolest thing.
Yeah. Why do you think it happened?
Because it had too much pressure.
Yeah, that's a good answer. Yep. So how the Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water and it makes carbon dioxide and it forms bubbles and it builds up pressure, like you said, making the canister shoot up in the air. Yep. I would try that at home.
All right.
I'm gonna add 1 drop of dish soap into this one, so we'll do that right now. Okay, and then we're gonna add 3 drops of dish soap into this one. And in this one, we're gonna add 2.
All right.
Next, we'll add our
Baking
baking
soda.
soda into
So
it.
here would be 2 grams. Here, we want to start mixing it up. And to get a bigger reaction, you can squirt a little bit more of lemon juice on top just to make it fuzz over more. 1 gram.
Is it gonna be loud?
And then 5 grams.
Alright, so this reaction happens.
Voices off, first grade.
So this reaction happens is because when you know how a lemon is sour and you take a bite out of it and it's sour, that's because of the citric acid that is in it. And when the citric acid reacts with this special magic white powder that is called baking soda, it causes carbon dioxide gas to escape from the lemon and causes it to bubble out.
And then it also can make a big mess, so we do recommend you doing it over like a cutting board or something so it's easy cleanup. And be careful with the knife. Usually have a parent or an adult cut the lemon open because you can cut yourself on the knife. And don't lick the foam or anything. It will taste awful. And it will stain your hands. Huh?
No.
It'll give you an upset stomach. Yeah, it's really sour and it's just, no, it's not good.
It's not yummy. Not yummy.
Yeah, no.
Have you tried it before?
No.
All right, thank you so much, Will and Oliver. So one of the best things about science is that you see it everywhere. And so Will and Oliver just showed us that we could easily do something from things we buy from the grocery store. Everything we eat, that's science. When we breathe, that's science. Our next group is Maddie and Devaney, and they have some pretty cool noises to show
That is
you.
magic brush. You better go get it, because that's how you see the message. Actually, while he's gone, should we write the message and see if he can find it when he gets back?
Yeah.
So, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take my brush. And in this cup is baking soda and water. And you take it and you write on a piece of paper your message. So, look. You see? You can't see the message.
Yeah.
I drew a smiley face, okay?
I saw it.
You see it?
Yeah.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Well, you won't see it in a minute, okay? Don't tell Tony where it's at. We'll put it right here in the middle, okay? And we'll see if he can find it with this other liquid here, okay? Tony!
Tony,
Where'd he
should I go
go?
find him for you?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there.
Got the brush. What y'all doing?
You got your brush, Tony?
Yes, sir.
Well, we hid the paper here, and we're seeing if you can find it. You guys think this magic brush will work?
Yeah.
You think it'll work?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Sure.
Paint it, Tony. Don't tell him with the paper. Oh, look. No message. You don't see it. You don't see what we wrote, do you?
No message.
What about that one?
Can't find it yet.
I see nothing.
Look at this paper. You can't see nothing here either.
Gotta be.
Maybe his brush isn't working.
Can I touch the paint? No.
Uh-oh.
No.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Wait a minute. Think I found it. Think I found it.
You might have found the message. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Think I found it.
Look at that. Look, it changed the color. I found the message.
That was real nice.
Well, thanks guys for watching this. And just remember that, well, first off, it's the baking soda and water in 1 cup. And that is what you paint on first. So you're not supposed to see it on the white piece of paper. And then when you put the alcohol and turmeric powder in the cup, you can paint that on and you'll see your message that you wrote.
So when you want to write messages to your friends, you can put this on a paper and nobody will see
No
it
one
but
will see
them.
it but them.
I will. I will. I'll see it.
What's your question? You have done that before? Yeah, anybody can try it at home. It's very easy to do just with those ingredients, but make sure your parents are around when you're doing with the alcohol.
Thank you so much, Chandler and Tony.
I'm doing green because I think that won. So you're just gonna add a couple of drops in there. You want to make sure that it's fully mixed up.
And you want to add it to the big cup.
And
And then we're going to stick it on top of a flashlight.
And basically what's going to happen is that the baking soda and vinegar react and it creates carbon dioxide, which creates this bubbles, which makes it look like a lava lamp.
And since we have so much vegetable oil, it controls the reaction and it stops it from flowing over the container.
I can hear it sound like so easy.
Yeah, it sounds like it's fizzing. That's the carbon dioxide working.
I don't see any water. Keep it.
Do you guys have any questions?
No.
You can go ahead.
I like waffles.
You do?
How does it draw?
The bubbles kind of push this little food coloring up and down, and it keeps it in tiny little bubbles.
I like that.
Yeah, me too.
Science is fun. How you made
How did the bubbles go up?
It's the carbon dioxide in there, making them move up and down.
Why is it fizzing?
It's the bubbles that come from that baking soda on the bottom of the container. It mixes with the vinegar that we put in with the food coloring. We're going to do one more question.
How do you like make the bubbles go like up and down and like stay at the top? I know.
It's because of the little vegetable oil that's in that food coloring. It makes it super heavy and it just kind of pushes it up and down.
All right, thank you so much, Gracie and Cora. Our next friends, Charlie and Delaney, are going to show us how to make snow. Can you turn that on? So we're gonna be over here if you guys want to turn your bodies this way. to hear Charlie and Delaney. Charlie and Delaney.
I'm Delaney.
I'm Charlie. Today we're gonna try to show you guys something cool.
It's been pretty warm outside lately, so we're gonna try to make snow inside.
We have 3 cups and 3 bowls, and only one of these cups makes the right snow.
Mrs. Booth, which one did you think would make the right?
The red.
Red?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
I think blue.
Okay, we're mixing it. Oh no. That doesn't look like good snow, does it? No, that's bad snow. Okay, we better try something else. Yeah, let's try blue. Oh, this looks like pea snow. That's gross. That's gross. It must be black, right? Okay, let's do it. Oh, yeah, this looks like a much better snow.
Did you guys want to touch it?
Yeah!
We're gonna put it in a bag, okay? You look like
There. Now the reason this makes snow is because of chemistry.
It's
I'll
called a
pass it around.
combination reaction with water and sodium polycrate. No, we can't eat it. Water and sodium polycrate.
This snow doesn't melt.
This is what we could also see in diapers. Has anybody ever changed a stinky diaper? The reason why they don't leak.
Corn syrup. Okay, but you have to ask first because they're super sticky. Okay, should we make them? Super sticky. Should we try and hold it? Guys, stay on your bottom. Joseph, on your bottom.
Can we hold it?
No, they're not that strong.
It's not popping.
Oh, there it did.
Wait, volleyball. There's another one.
Declan, you see what you're
Yeah,
making?
volleyball. Yeah, but it's not
Remember, you guys can make these at home.
When you put your hand
With my head would pop it.
throw it like.
You'd have to make them super strong to do that.